In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons in Notion without needing to write a single line of code. Whether you're new to Notion or just looking for ways to enhance your workspace, this easy guide will walk you through the steps to add functional buttons that can significantly improve your workflow. First, let's kick things off by heading over to Notion. Open your browser of choice and log into your Notion account, ensuring that you have access to the specific workspace where you want to add your buttons. If you haven't created a Notion account yet, you can sign up for free and get started in no time. Next, you'll want to either navigate to an existing page where you'd like to add these buttons or create a new page altogether. If you opt for a new page, take this opportunity to set a title and prepare your layout to suit your needs. This will serve as the canvas for your button customizations. Now, in the body of your Notion page, type in /buttons into the block space. This command will trigger Notion's built-in menu, bringing up the option to create a button. The power of Notion's /command lies in its simplicity, allowing you to summon a variety of features and functions instantly. Once the option is visible, simply click on Button. Here's where you can start to see the magic happen. You're now ready to start customizing and adding your specific buttons to the page. Think about what actions you want this button to perform and how it can aid in organizing or automating parts of your Notion workflow. After clicking the button option, start defining what your button will say by typing in the desired button name. Choose a label that clearly represents the button's function. This helps anyone who accesses the page understand its purpose at a glance. With your button named and labeled, it's time to bring it to life by clicking New Action. Here, you can assign specific functionalities to the button, such as linking to another page, executing a simple task, or anything that matches your current needs in the workspace. Once you've set up your buttons action, ensure everything looks good and is functioning by opting for Choose Your Buttons or Action. Confirm everything is in place, and when you're satisfied, click Done to save your changes and exit the setup. Lastly, it's testing time. Click on your newly created button to ensure it performs the desired action. This is an important step to verify your setup is correct and that the button enhances rather than complicates your Notion experience. And there you have it. A quick and straightforward guide to adding buttons in Notion without any coding knowledge required. With these dynamic elements, you can make Notion work even harder for you, adding layers of interactivity to your projects. Enjoy customizing your workspace and exploring the automation potentials. Happy planning!